In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your Canva account step by step. Whether you're using a computer, phone, or tablet, I'll walk you through every option so you can access your designs quickly and securely. If you're new to Canva or just having trouble signing in, this guide will make it simple. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. If you're on a mobile device, you can either open Canva in your browser or launch the Canva app if you already have it installed. The process is very similar on both desktop and mobile. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. On mobile, the login option will also be clearly visible on the main screen. Now, Canva will ask you to choose your preferred login method. There are several ways to sign in, depending on how you originally created your account. The first option is logging in with your email and password. If you signed up using your email address, enter your email in the email field, then type your password in the password field. After entering your details, click the Login button. Make sure your password is typed correctly, especially if it includes capital letters or special characters. The second option is to continue with Google. If your Canva account is connected to your Google account, click Continue with Google. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the correct account and you'll be logged in automatically. The third option is to continue with Facebook. If you registered using Facebook, click Continue with Facebook. You may be asked to confirm your Facebook login details. Once verified, Canva will sign you in. Depending on your account's security settings, Canva might ask you to complete a verification step. This could be a 6-digit code sent to your email address or a 2-factor authentication code if you have 2FA enabled. Check your email inbox for the code, enter it into the verification field, and submit it to complete the login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken directly to your Canva dashboard. This is your main workspace. Here, you'll see your recent designs, your brand kit if you've set one up, your projects folder, available templates, and any files that have been shared with you. From this dashboard, you can start creating new designs, edit existing ones, or manage your content. If you ever forget your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the login page, follow the reset instructions sent to your email, and create a new password to regain access. And that's it. That's exactly how to log into your Canva account using desktop or mobile, with email, Google, or Facebook. It's quick, simple, and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.